In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Chrome desktop shortcut if you're on Windows and want one-click access to your favorite sites or a specific Chrome profile. This is a quick and reliable setup. I'll walk you through two straightforward methods, explain what each one does, and share a few helpful tips along the way so everything feels smooth and simple. First, let's create a desktop shortcut for a website. Start by opening Google Chrome. Head to the site you want quick access to. Think of a page you visit every day, like your favorite video platform, email, or project dashboard. Once the page is open, look to the top right corner of Chrome for the three dots. Click that menu, choose Save and Share, and then click Create Shortcut. A small window will appear asking for a name. Type a clear, memorable name so you'll recognize it at a glance, then click Create. That's it. You'll now see a new icon on your Windows desktop. Double-clicking that icon opens the site instantly in Chrome, skipping the extra steps of launching the browser and typing the address. If your desktop is busy, you can drag the new shortcut to a spot that's easy to find. And if you want consistency, use the same naming style for all your shortcuts, which makes them easier to search later. Next, let's create a desktop shortcut for a Chrome profile. This is perfect if you keep separate profiles for work, school, or personal browsing, each with its own bookmarks, extensions, and settings. In Chrome, click your profile icon in the top right corner and choose Customize Profile. Scroll down and turn on Create Desktop Shortcut. Chrome immediately places a profile icon on your desktop. When you open it, Chrome launches directly into that specific profile, so you always land in the right environment with the right bookmarks and tools. This is a great way to avoid mixing tabs and accounts, and it keeps your browsing organized by purpose. To recap, use the website shortcut when you want instant access to a specific page, and use the profile shortcut when you want to jump straight into a particular Chrome setup. Both methods are fast, work reliably on Windows, and help you save time every day. If any menu labels look slightly different, you may be on a different Chrome version, so make sure you're up to date. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cleaner, quicker workflow with Chrome shortcuts.